Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back again with me, HX25. So today's video, I'm going about to unboxing Rexus Thundervox stream HX25. So, without any further ado, let's take a look. So here we are at the box, and this is the specification, and this is what it looks like, and this is also the specification of this Rexus HX25 Thundervox stream. So let's open the box. In here the box is empty already, and this is the main part of this headset. As we can see here, if we open, as you can see us as well, there's a headset and also the mic. There you go. So I will try to open all these parts together. So I think I'm gonna fast forward a little bit. So in here we have a detachable mic, and this is the main part of headset, and this is the cable. It's audio jack 3.5mm single jack, and there you go. That's the main part. So I will put it away a little bit, and this is the warranty card, and this is also the manual book. So I think this is not really important, yes, because we all know how to use headset, and this one is audio jack convert for the PC if you have to. So we are going to the main part of this video, which is the headboard itself. It has a sensitive and detachable microphone. Once again, it's Rexus gaming headset Thundervox HX25 and has a large speaker driver, which is 50mm in diameter, producing a better audio quality, of course, and of course a really huge pair of functional and comfortable ear pad. So this is the cable, and here where we got a controller with which we can control the mic, turning off and turning on, and raising up the volume of the sound itself. So now I'm going to plug the mic to the headphone. There you go, easy as that. And now your headphone is ready to go. Oh, by the way, this video voice over by mic from this headphone. So what do you think? Is this worth it to buy or not? Leave a comment down below if you like this video, and also give a thumbs like, and also